Another little tidbit of advice on this TV, if you're switching the main board, I had got a whole kit of all the parts to replace the power board because there was no life, was the original problem. Didn't fix it, so I replaced the main board, but it seems like these cables, you push on the metal down to get them to release, and then you pull out the cable carefully. These ones, I think you squeeze the outsides to get it to release, and you go back in. Same thing. This one you push down on the outside. But the gotcha on this board is it's pretty thin and flexible, and it has some little pads underneath it that are a little bit sticky, and so you really have to just go slow and be super careful when you pull it up. So I got all the cables out, and then I put my fingers under it, and the board just kind of bends, like right here probably mostly, and just really slowly let those they're not real sticky, but they are sticky enough that if you just tried to lift up the board, you'd probably crack it right here. So careful, 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 careful. There's a couple here and a couple here under the board. So yeah, that was it. Yeah, and then also the this side of the board is kind of clipped into this plastic bit. You can remove it if you want. It's clipped on here, and then when you pull it out, these little tabbies go into the metal case of the TV. So now it's going to be hard to get back on. There it goes. So you can pull that off first to make your life easier, and then I guess you could pry from this side too to get the stickies off, but I just did it all from this side, and that is something to look out for.